Legumes, be it soybeans, red beans, green peas, or peanuts, generate most of the nitrogen they need through a symbiotic organ in their roots. It acts like an all-you-can-eat nitrogen kitchen and buffet. They make so much of it, in fact, that there's enough leftover nitrogen for other crops the year after harvesting legumes. Two steps are necessary. A bacteria known as rhizobia has to infect the root cells in the cortical layer. The cells then have to multiply and become a nodule, which then accommodates the germs that turn nitrogen in the air into nutrients. Most of the legume family's more than 17,000 species have the same feature. This was made evident back in the 19th century, but the reason behind it was unknown until recently. Professor Wang Ertao's team at the Chinese Academy of Sciences Center for Excellence in Molecular Plant Sciences found a combination of two genes are responsible.
Together, SCR and SHR genes form a protein module. They exist in the cortical cells of beans and are responsible for division of these cells. Only cortical cells that are dividing can be infected by rhizobia and form nodules.
The study started in 2013, with the breakthrough coming about a year later.
We found that in the legume family, cell division happens in the cortical layer. The SCR gene expresses itself in the cortical cells, and we started to wonder whether the SCR gene played a role in nodule growth. That was a big discovery.
Wang's team then planted the genes into the cells of rice and theocress, and found their root cells also started to divide.
The next step is determining how to make rhizobia infect the cells so scientists will be able to help non-legume plants grow nodules and generate their own nitrogen as well.
Experiments found if a farmer rotates a legume with another crop, like corn, they can reduce chemical fertilizer use by 50%. They also use legumes as manure to improve the soil without harming the environment. The average efficiency rate of nitrogen fertilizers across the country is only 35%, with most of the chemicals ending up polluting waterways. Scientists hope understanding this mechanism will result in less dependence on the use of chemicals in agriculture. 苏思琪，Shanghai Live。